Jesus! 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 God! Ifeanyi! Ifeanyi!
Yes?
Come.
Manager.
Alpha. Good day. I beg that one we boss me will take.
That
Go there. We'll bring her for fridge. For first layer.
Okay. Now bring out cup.
Ayana, bring cup.
Sorry, God.
Sorry.
Ha! Pastor, what be this now? What be the meaning of this one now? Ha! God. Ha! My heart. Ah.
Sorry. Close fridge. Sapporo!
Yes?
Please come.
Okay.
Fine.
You called me.
Yeah. Please get wine from the fridge. First
Nah,
layer.
I don't have one I like.
There.
I
Bring
should
her.
bring to cook. I like to drink.
If I bring for Ifeanyi as well. Come.
Drink.
It's not a prank. Which kind of expensive prank be this one?
Calm down. Sorry. I think but no verse. Sorry. If I help me go call bouncer.
Bouncer.
Evans, what bouncer for me? Just answer the call him. Sorry.
I even thinking of that.
Sorry. Come now, come.
I want to go and look for spirit. My leg now is still blocked.
Chai, sorry. I go now, go.
Wait, make I calm down first.
Sorry. Oh
I
God.
like this kind of thing now.
Sorry.
See my hand.
Sorry. Chai. Sorry.
That one you go buy them.
No
You
problem.
go buy them.
Don't worry. I'll
Because
give
I go use
you
and wash my leg.
I'll give you the wine. Relax. Use wine, wash your leg. Now, right price. Sorry. Don't worry. Take care of that one. But please, when you come, no talk, I beg. No talk.
I will call.
Yeah. I beg. Go for fridge, yeah? You get wine. That one of those wines we will carry come back. You and boss down.
Yeah.
Go for fridge, bring them. Then get cup for the bar. No we to share. First layer of the fridge.
Okay, that one outside.
No, this one with the kitchen. No enter store. Oh no, this one with the inside kitchen. Baby, come out, baby, come out.
This kind of flash. Kissing my leg, see blood.
Sorry.
Now they wine.
Oh my. That's the other one.
As I see how my mind fly.
See, I'm see what you break. See what you break.